Take control of your trading and protect your capital by mastering stop-loss orders on Pocket Option through MetaTrader for integration. First, ensure your Pocket Option account is successfully linked to your MetaTrader 4 platform. This is what allows you to manage your Pocket Option trades directly within the MT4 interface. When you're ready to open a new trade, or if you have an existing trade open, navigate to the Trade tab in MT4. You'll see your open positions listed here. To place a stop-loss on an existing open trade, right-click on that specific trade within the Trade tab. From the context menu that appears, select Modify Order. This will bring up the order modification window. Look for the field labeled stop-loss. Now, decide on your acceptable risk level. You'll input a specific price level into the stop-loss field. This price should be set below your entry price for a buy order, or above your entry price for a sell order. Think of it as your predetermined exit point if the market moves against you, automatically closing your trade and limiting your potential losses. Once you've entered your desired stop-loss price, click the orange Modify button to confirm and activate your stop-loss order. You'll see the stop-loss level now applied to your open trade in the Trade tab. If the market price reaches this level, your trade will automatically close. By consistently using stop-loss orders, you're taking a proactive stance in managing risk, which is crucial for long-term success in your trading journey with Pocket Option.